Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here.
And Jared, but you can call me Seven.
In today's video, we are actually going to be doing a trade recap / forecast on some of the trades that we called out to our team. I'm going to be doing the Great Britain pound versus US dollar. And I know Seven has a trade that he wants to recap and do a little bit of a breakdown and forecast on for you guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos. We're dropping content every single day, not just on YouTube, but on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all the major platforms. Definitely check out the links in the description of this video to get access to all of our social media networks, as well as to get access to our free Forex trading course. I know we say this in every video, but if you're just watching this, we have a free Forex trading course that we are giving you access to help you get started trading in the foreign exchange markets. And on top of that, we're giving you limited time 7-day free access to join our Discord community, where you can copy our exact trades, get access to our news bot in our community, have access to live one-on-one sessions, Q&As, and so much more. So definitely check out those links in the description of this video. We're going to switch over here to the Discord, show you the trades that we called out, maybe show you some of the profits on these trades. We still have some of them running, and then we'll switch over to the MetaTrader platforms and show you guys the breakdown and forecast of these trades.
I'm gonna change the world. Seriously, I'm gonna change the world.
All right, guys, so hopping right into our Discord, we're going to look at this trade I called out yesterday right here. You can see yesterday at 6:05 a.m. Called out this sell on the Great Britain pound USD to the team. We have our entry price, our 2%, 5%, and 10% reward targets as always, as well as a 1, 2, and 3% risk target on that trade. Thus far, we have hit the 5% reward target, which we're going to switch over here to MetaTrader and show you that here in a second. And then we're also Seven's going to also break down a trade for you guys. You can see right here a buy on the New Zealand JPY that he actually called out on the 2nd. So I think it's the 5th today, so about 3 days ago. So he called out the buy on New Zealand JPY, and we basically hit TP3. We're pretty damn close to hitting that at this point in time. And on top of that, we talk about our news bot all the time. So here's an example. You can see we have this news bot sending out news updates constantly. So the New Zealand JPY, a strong performer in the Asian morning session. So having the news bot there as well to give you guys live updates on news events, to make sure you have the most up-to-date, most accurate information that is going to be driving the foreign exchange markets on a daily basis. And the nice thing about Discord, you can see up here in this search bar, whatever currency pair you are trading. In this example, New Zealand JPY, you can hit that in the search bar and it'll show you news events and everything else in our Discord community having to do with that currency pair.
And it's showing the 21st, it's showing August 4th. So that came out actually 2 days after I called this signal. So it's pretty dope that it was like just another thing to reconfirm it.
I'm going to switch over here and show some of the profits. Let's see. So we were looking at the pound USD and the New Zealand JPY. So you can see right here, Seven caught some profits on that New Zealand JPY trade thus far, closing out about $6,500 overall. Made some stupid profits. Is this daily that you just closed all these out?
No, this was from the 3rd, from 2 days ago.
Oh, damn. About 40K.
I also called out a Great Britain pound USD like a day or two before this, and mine hasn't yet hit TP2, so that's why mine isn't closed either. So we have 2 entries. Sometimes we're in 2 entries, or if we both see analysis and call it out, sometimes we're double stacked on some.
Yeah, just to showcase some of the profits, because neither one of us have closed out the pound USD trades at this time, just to showcase some of the profits. You see this. This guy said went to church and prayed and the Lord delivered, but not going to dive into this stuff too much. We show you guys this.
Yeah, and he had a GBPUSD in that post.
Oh, yeah, right here. Yeah, so you can see he's using 0.15. Just caught about $30 on that trade there, as well as some of our other signals and trade. This guy's making pretty good cash. He started, I want to say, about a couple weeks ago with us. Yeah, he's just been killing it. He went from about $3,000. I think he's at about 5,000 now in a few weeks. So made about $2,000 in a few weeks. And I know he's in college right now. So definitely has reached out to us multiple times and said it's helped. Not going to dive into that stuff too much. Follow us on all other platforms. We talk about the profits and other things a lot more and breaking down our Discord. But I'm going to switch over here to MetaTrader and show you guys a breakdown of these trades.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro. You tripping.
All right, guys, so jumping into the charts, you can see here we have our entry price set up right here. We have our 3% risk target right here, and then our 2% and our 5%, which we have hit thus far. And then down here, we have our 10%. Not going to focus on that too much. Just want to show you guys what we have seen thus far. So we had this pair forming these higher highs right here, failed to break up even higher than that, and actually pulled back down into this overall little zone that was forming right in this area here. So it formed this nice little zone right here. But we have our 5 reasons as to why we took this trade. So we took the trade actually right around here. So all of this data was already out prior to us taking this trade, entered in right here. You can see our time of entry. But number 1 reason is going to be the zone formed and respected to the downside. So you can see right here, it kind of had these 3 little candles that formed a zone before actually breaking up to the upside, came down and retested that, came down and retested that there, and then came down and broke through it, came back up, retested, retested again, retested again, and then our second reason, it retested and failed to break out and hold to the upside. So once we saw this, we saw our entry price right around here, and we saw this fail to break out, and that gave us additional confirmation that this was going to come down. It was failing to break up out of that zone. Third reason being that the EMA crossover and stack happened to the downside. You can kind of see it right here. The lower time frame EMAs were stacked to the downside, so we were pretty confident that this was going to continue pushing down even further. Number 4 is going to be the EMAs actually held to the downside. So you can see once they broke through right in this area here, the EMA was held right here as a support to the downside. And then number 5, we had the ISM services PMI come out positive for the US dollar. We're not going to dive into that too much. Every Sunday we do drop our news forecast videos for you guys where we dive into this stuff a lot more in depth, but we had that news drop that was positive for the US dollar and actually sent this as well as other currency pairs that we were trading with the US dollar in them in the right direction for us. So we had these 5 reasons as to why we took this trade. Just to switch over here real quick and show you something that I'm looking for to send us down to the 10% reward target. Just really quickly, we will look at this here. We want to see this zone break right around here, around our 5% target, and then our 10% target you see here is right in this overall little zone that forms. So we're looking for a retest down to there. So if we break this zone here, we're going to look for a retest down to this zone right here to continue sending us to the downside. But I'm going to pass it over to Seven. He's going to pull up his chart and show you a little bit of the breakdown of the trade that he called out to the team as well.
All right, guys, I'm just going to show GBPUSD as well real quick before I hop over to New Zealand and JPY. Quick breakdown for both of them. Brad pretty much broke this down already just now. It slightly broke past the 5% target of Brad's trade, which was around here. Yeah, my TP2 is here at this red line. You see it was literally, it had to go like another pip or something.
It like blew it a kiss.
Yeah, literally, it was like right here. So sometimes that happens, guys. It's hella annoying because now it's up here. So I'm barely in profit now. This right here is a second entry that I put in when Brad called it out. So he had a better place for the entry for the sell. But that TP for that one is lower than this. But I was just showing this. Sometimes this happens and it can be frustrating, but all right, guys, this is the New Zealand JPY. I love the desktop version and the mobile version of MetaTrader 5. This is MT4 right here, but the desktop version on Windows shows like this dotted line for the entries and kind of where you got out. All right, this New Zealand JPY entry was right here, and my exit was right here. TP2 basically was right here, a little bit higher. TP2 is actually right here, but I got out a little bit early. Like Brad showed you, he held up to like TP3, which was up here. I definitely could have held this longer, but I'm just a TP2 guy. At least for when I'm doing 1 entry per trade. You can do like 3 trades per signal or 3 trades per call or whatever, and do TP 1, 2, and 3. So basically TP3 was up here, but I got out here. Definitely could have held this buy pretty good. Would have probably made about double on this, but yeah, you can see my EMAs are red, white, and blue. So the 5 is red, the white is the 20, and the 50 is the blue. So I just kind of made it something simple to remember: American flag, red, white, and blue. EMAs got more spread apart, and the 5 was above the 20 and the 50. So that was good indication of it heading upwards.
I was just going to say too, when you see that EMA spread where the EMAs are spread even further out, look how much bigger the bullish candles are getting and how much smaller the bearish candles are getting in comparison. Then if you look to the left where it's like consolidated a little bit, look how small all of the candles are. So that's a good indication too when they're spreading like that.
Definitely was a good call.
Solid.
Yeah. So not too much more we're going to go into. You can also see RSI down here. But yeah, we go into much more detail in our Discord community and in our free course and our paid course coming up. Definitely love giving you guys this content here on YouTube, but we have some more exclusive stuff elsewhere. So definitely check out our Discord.
Definitely check out those links in the description of this video. Like Seven was saying, giving you free access for a limited time to get our free Forex trading course. So many people out there charging insane amounts of money to help you get started. We want to give you the free course for free to help you get started, give you access to our Discord community for free for 7 days to help you get started in the right direction. Because a lot of people who are starting this don't have a lot of capital. That's why they're starting Forex or other things, because they're looking to start making additional income, expand their income streams. And we understand that, you know, especially in today's day and age, not many people have that much extra cash laying around. So we want to help you get started for free. Check out all the links in the description of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos. We're dropping so much content, so much value for you guys. So definitely show some love in the comment section as well. And as always, thanks for watching.
Peace.